In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do automation in Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that can save you loads of time and help ensure that your tasks and projects run smoothly and efficiently. Now let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account to access all the features we'll be working with today. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click on it. If you're using Google to manage your accounts, simply click on Google and choose the account you wish to use. This will quickly log you into your Monday.com workspace, giving you access to all your boards and workflows. Next, you'll want to navigate to your specific board where you wish to create the automation. Boards in Monday.com are your main workspace where all your tasks, updates, and columns live. To find yours, select the right board name from your dashboard, making sure it's where you want to introduce this automation process. With your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Automate. This is the starting point for adding automation to your tasks. After that, select Create Automation, which should also be in the top right area. This will open the automation builder, providing a simple and intuitive interface for setting up your workflows. Once in the automation builder, you will be prompted to start by clicking on When this happens. This sets the trigger for your automation. A trigger is an event that will initiate your automated process. It's important to carefully choose what event will be the right start for the automation you have in mind. After selecting your trigger, you'll need to set the parameter. This is a condition that further defines the circumstances under which the automation should proceed. For instance, this could be when a task reaches a particular status or a date column hits a specific deadline. Now, you'll proceed by clicking on Then Do This, which allows you to specify what action should take place once the trigger and parameter conditions are met. Actions could include sending a notification to a team member, updating a status label, or even moving the task to a different group or board. Finally, you'll secure all your settings by selecting Create Automation. This action saves your workflow so that it automatically triggers as specified whenever the conditions are aligned, streamlining your task management process. Congratulations, you've just set up an automation in Monday.com. With these steps, you can create as many automations as you need to help manage your projects more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.